Reminded, gentlemen and ladies, that the very purpose of this inspection is for us to check on the readiness, the letter of instruction, tamang bihis, which is mandated to us to be done every second Saturdays of the month. There is also an additional schedule for staff officers that they will be supervising the Saturday inspections to be held in our lower units. So, since we are told to be complying in these orders, we might as well do our share in attending to these very little details, but greatly reflects the image of the police. So, pakilinis nyo yung mga sapatos nyo. You know, the very basic things about Saturday inspections. So, for this, usual, maraming salamat sa inyong kooperasyon. I know you took time, especially the PESPO, na maraming problema. So, ganun yun. Sanay tayo sa mga problema. Dapat sanay tayo kasi mga pulis tayo. So, after this, again, weekend, Saturday, Sunday, so maraming mga incidents na nangyayari. So, sa Sunday, Mother's Day. So, pakigreet na lang yung mga, sa inyong mga nanay, Happy Mother's Day sa inyo. Sa mga magiging nanay pa lang, pagbutihan ninyo. At sa mga nanay ninyo na rin, binabati natin sila lahat ng Mother's Day. Tapos mag-ingat kayo sa pag-uwi ninyo. Wagahan niyo yung mga sarili mo. Yun lang, maraming salamat. Magandang hapon.